Students, class Aves. Class Aves includes with birds. These are feathered bipedal endothermic animals. Feathered body is covered with feathers. Bipedal having two hind limbs. Two hind limbs are called legs. Endothermic body maintain constant body temperature. Body does not changes with their surrounding environment. Maintain constant body temperature, constant internal temperature, that is called endotherms. Feathered bipedal endothermic animals. And by presence of the flying adaptations in these animals, J.Z. Young considered as masters of air. Okay. Next, these are the birds having some amount of the reptilian characters. These are omnivores. Body is covered with scales on the legs. Extra embryonic membranes are present in embryonic development, which surrounds the embryo, and uric acid is the nitrogenous waste product in similar animals, in reptiles and the birds. Next, megalithal both are, and both reptiles and the birds lays megalithal eggs. Interclavicle is also present. Okay, these are the characters present in the birds like a reptiles. So T.H. Huxley described them as a glorified reptiles. T.H. Huxley called them glorified reptiles. Next, these are the birds gave rise from the theropod reptiles at the time of the Jurassic period. Jurassic period from the theropod reptiles. And these are the birds after modernized into diversified as a large group animals in the Cretaceous period, modernized in Cretaceous period. Okay. Next, study about the birds is called ornithology. And Birdman of India. Who is the Birdman of India? Indian famous ornithologist Salim Ali. Okay, student. Next, Salim Ali describes large amount of the birds, systemized them, and also wrote different types of the books on the birds. Next, general characters of the birds. Body is streamlined and body is differentiated into four parts: head, neck, trunk, tail. Next, student, forelimbs are modified into wings. Forelimbs are modified into wings, helps in flying. And hind limbs are the legs, helps in walking, running, swims in the water, and also in perching. Perching means sitting on the branch of the tree. Next, skin is dry and without glands. Only one of the gland is present at the tail base of the tail. That is ile gland or preen gland or uropygial gland. This secretes ile or the preen ile, which helps in the flexibility of the feathers. Next, the exoskeleton is in the form of the epidermal scales on the legs, epidermal feathers, and claws on the toes, and horny covering on the beak, that is also called rhampotheca. Next, endoskeleton is completely bone and are ossified. Next, pneumatic bones are present. Pneumatic bones means these are the longest bones having hollow structure with air cavities. Pneumatic bones. Skull is monocondylic like a fishes. And student, vertebra. Vertebra are heterocoelous vertebra. If you observe each of the vertebra, there is a centrum. It is the centrum of it is the model vertebra in birds. It is the centrum, student. It is the centrum, it is the anterior face, it is the posterior face. Both of the faces having saddle shaped structures. saddle shaped structures. Okay, this type of the vertebra present in the birds is called heterocoelous. Next, synsacrum. What about the synsacrum? Vertebra, if you observe backbone, and from the anterior to the posterior, vertebra are differentiated into types based on their location. First are cervical vertebra, thoracic vertebra, lumbar vertebra, sacral vertebra, caudal vertebra. In this last thoracic, lumbar vertebra, sacral vertebra, few caudal vertebrae are fused together and forms the synsacrum. This is the synsacrum combined with the girdle present at the pelvic region, pelvic girdle. This is the synsacrum connect with the pelvic girdle and support to the hind limbs. Okay, student, support to the hind limbs. Next, pygostyle. Posterior caudal vertebrae are fused together and forms the pygostyle. This is the pygostyle support to tail feathers. Next, furcula or wishbone or merry thought bone. What about this? Clavicle. Clavicle is the collarbone. It connects the arm or the wing to the rest of the body. Clavicles connect with the interclavicle. Clavicles connect with the interclavicle and forms the V-shaped bone that is called furculum, wishbone or merry thought bone. Sternum, student, sternum, it is the breastbone. Sternum has a floating surface that is called keel or carina. It is the keel or carina helps for attaching of the flight muscles. Okay, this is the keel or carina is absent in rat-tailed birds. Rat-tailed birds, that means non-flying birds. Next, ribs are double-headed. Ribs are double-headed. Ribs are, these are the elongated bones, slender elongated bone present at the thoracic part of the body. These are double-headed like a crocodiles and the mammoth. Students, breast muscles are present in the birds. Breast muscles are also called flight muscles. Flight muscles are two types, pectoralis major, pectoralis minor. Attaches to the sternum by the keel, helps in flying. These are flight muscles, pectoralis major, pectoralis minor. Next, teeth are absent, student, in modern birds. Teeth are absent. Esophagus, if you observe gut tube, esophagus is dilated into crop. Okay, esophagus dilated into crop. Crop is helps in storage of the food particles. Next, stomach is differentiated into two types. One is glandular ventriculus, and another one is muscular gizzard. Muscular gizzard also called grinding mill. Okay, stomach is differentiated into two types. One is glandular ventriculus. It secretes enzyme for digestion of the food particles. Next, muscular gizzard act as a grinding mill. Cloaca is three-chambered like reptiles, as in reptiles. Cloaca divided into three chambers. Next, another respiration, student. Respiration is by the with the compact, spongy and undistensible lungs and without alveoli. These are the lungs are without alveoli. Alveoli are absent in the lungs. Next, lungs are also provided with associated with air sacs. Okay, what about the air sacs, student? Air sacs provides continuous oxygenation of the blood. Okay, next, pneumaticity of the bones. Pneumaticity of the bones, that means bones having hollow structures and filled with the air, having air cavities. Student, this is the respiratory system, also with lungs and associated with the air sacs. Bird with air sacs. Student, this is the trachea. Trachea ends with the syrinx. Syrinx is the sound producing structure in the birds, present between the trachea and the bronchi, and these are lungs, one pair lungs. Lungs are associated with air sacs. These are air sacs. These are air sacs, students. Okay. Anterior thoracic air sacs. This is the posterior thoracic air sac. This is the abdominal sac, and this is the cervical sac, cervical air sac. This is the interclavicular air sacs. Interclavicular air sacs. It is the trachea. It is the syrinx. Okay. Next, under heart. Heart is 4 chambered. Next, voice box is syrinx. Syrinx is act as a voice box. Voice box is syrinx. Is at the junction of trachea and bronchi. Voice box present at the syrinx, present at the junction of trachea and bronchi. Next, right systemic arch is present. Right systemic arch is present in the birds. Next, renal portal system is reduced. RBC with nucleus. RBC is with the nucleus. Next, kidneys. What about the kidneys, student? Metanephric kidneys. One pair metanephric kidneys. Each one of the kidney divides into 3 lobes. Next, urinary bladder is absent. It is the one of the flight adaptation. Urinary bladder is absent. And in ostrich, urinary bladder is present. Except ostrich, it is the Ratidae bird, non-flying bird. Urinary bladder is absent. Uricotelic birds are eliminate nitrogenous waste, excrete nitrogenous waste in the form of the uric acid. Hence, these are uricotelic animals. Next, brain is large. Olfactory lobes are reduced. Olfactory lobes are reduced or absent. Olfactory lobes present in the brain. Okay, student. Next, cranial nerves are 12 pairs. Cranial nerves are 12 pairs. 12 pairs. Next, eyes. Eyes having sclerotic plates. Eyes having sclerotic plates. Okay. Sclerotic plates causes more strengthening of the eyeball. Next, pectin, student. Pectin is comb shaped and it is projected from the retina to the vitreous humor. And this is the pectin is absent in kiwi. Pectin is absent in kiwi. Next, student, middle ear that consists single ear ossicle, that one is columellaris. Olfactory sense develops in kiwi. Olfactory sense develops in kiwi. But in kiwi, pectin is absent. Olfactory lobes are reduced in all the birds, but except in kiwi, olfactory senses develops. Next, sexually separate testes are paired, and right side of the ovary, right side of the oviduct is completely atrophied, reduced in the females. Right side of the ovary, right side of the oviduct is reduced in females. Next, copulatory organ present in geese, ducks, rat-tailed birds. Rat-tailed birds, non-flying birds, ducks, geese only shows the copulatory structure. Another remaining all the flying birds does not have the copulatory organ. Next, oviparous. These are oviparous, laying eggs. Eggs are megalithical, cleidoic. Fertilization is internal. Next, hatchlings are differentiated into 2 types. Altricial in flying birds, precocial in non-flying birds. What about the altricial in flying birds? Altricial, that means not able to obtain their own food particles. These are the hatchlings, not able to provide their own food. The type of the hatchlings are altricial in flying birds. Next, precocial in non-flying birds. Precocial, that means these are run and obtain their own food particles. Precocial in non-flying birds. Next, examples: corvus, crow, and columba, pigeon. Next, Psittacula, parrot, pavo, okay student, peafowl. Next, neophron, vulture, Coraceus bengalensis, blue jay. Next, Strutio, ostrich.